p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 7 miles east of Fond du Lac. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Allis, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, West Allis, Wautosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Whitefish Bay, Hales Corners, Fox Point, Elm Grove, Bayside, West Milwaukee, Glendale, River Hills, Milwaukee Holland Bridge, Shorewood, State Fair Park, Marquette University, Milwaukee and Mitchell Park Domes. This includes the following locations: Schlitzow-Dauben Nature Center, Frodert and the Medical College, Fisher Forum, and Port of Milwaukee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunder